Such a beautiful day for a hike in the mountains. I so adore all the sights and sounds of nature. I concur, cousin. I can get quite caught up in all the calm and quiet. Huh? Sounds like an eagle. Oh, sounds like something is seriously wrong. We must investigate. Bouncing billy goats. The branch is about to break. We'd better call the PAW Patrol.
Hey, Francois. Hiya, Captain Turbot. How's it going?
Ryder, we've got a frantic feathered friend flying about, fearing for the fate of her flightless fledgling over here.
Huh?
Allow me, cousin. There's a baby eagle in a nest on a branch, and the branch is about to break. She does not fly, and her mother does not know what to do. They need help.
On it. No job is too big, no pup is too small. Time for a PAW Patrol Cat Pack rescue. Ruff, ruff, arf, arf. Skye and Rory, I'll need you two to team up for this mission. Skye, I'll need you to use your wings to locate the nest from above.
Let's take to the skies.
And Rory, I'll need you to use your pouncing skills and agility to get to the top of the mountain quick and save the baby eagle.
Let's pounce.
Awesome! PAW Patrol and Cat Pack is on a roll. How's it look from up there, Skye? Any luck?
I think I see. Yes, there it is. Yikes! That mama bird sure is big. Don't worry, Skye. I'll take it from here.
Rory, that baby eagle's about to try and fly for the first time. Can you use your vehicle's claws to drag those rocks out from below the nest? We'll need a softer landing than that, just in case.
Pouncetively.
Great work, Rory.
Ryder, Rory! I don't think the baby's going to fly. It's too nervous.
Don't worry, Mama Eagle. We're on it. Rory, use your agility skills and pouncing ability to scale that mountain and bring the baby eagle down to safety.
Tiger, pounce!
Jumping jelly beans, that's one fast feline.
Hold tight, little one. I've gotcha.
Bravo, bravo, spectacular rescue.
Whew, that was a close call. There, little birdie. Not too close now. Aw, she likes you.
Yeah, don't be nervous, Skye. I think she likes your possum wings.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think she wants you to show her how it's done.
I guess I could do that. Okay, let's take to the sky. This isn't so bad. She is kind of cute. Hey, everyone look. She's flying all by herself. All right, we did it. We saved the baby eagle and taught her how to take her first flight.
Don't mention it, Mama Eagle. Whenever you've got a problem, just, squawk for help.
Morning, Katie.
Morning, Mayor Humdinger. Welcome to Katie's Pet Salon Sidewalk Sale. What can I help you with today?
I need a toy.
What kind of toy, Mayor Humdinger?
A big toy for my big kitty. A big metal toy for my big metal Meow Meow.
We may have one thing. 1 second. How's this, Mayor Humdinger?
Fantastic! Meow Meow will love it.
Oh, looks like we're out of shampoo and catnip. I'll order some more in.
Hello? Sure, Katie. One big barrel of pet shampoo and a giant crate of catnip coming right up.
Oh, Meow Meow, my adorable robot kitty. I've got you a Meow Meow sized toy to play with.
Meow, meow. Yummy metal. Meow, meow.
Oopsie? You can't create potholes everywhere you go. Meow Meow, let's get out of here.
Whoops, pothole.
Whoa!
I smell catnip. I'll bet it's in that delicious metal truck. 2 treats in one.
Meow Meow, come back.
Oh my, I've got to call the PAW Patrol.
Hey, Mayor Goodway, what's up?
Oh, Ryder, we're in a real mess here in Adventure Bay. Meow Meow, the robotic kitty, is on the loose, and there seems to be something awfully slippery spilled all over the road.
Hang tight, Mayor Goodway. I'm getting another call.
Ryder, there's a giant robotic cat after my delivery truck. He must have caught a whiff of the catnip I'm delivering to Katie because he's hot on my tail.
Meow Meow hungry. Meow Meow love metal.
Meow Meow! Uh-oh, that's Meow Meow. I don't want to alarm you, but he likes to eat metal. The catnip may have attracted him, but now he's definitely after your truck.
Eats metal? You gotta help me.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No robot kitty is too big, no pup is too small.
Hurry, Ryder!
All right, we'll need all paws and claws on deck for this rescue mission.
We're on it.
It's time for a PAW Patrol Cat Pack rescue.
On it, Ryder.
Marshall, I'll need you to use your water cannon to clean up the spill on the road so no one gets hurt. I'm fired up! Rubble and Rocky, I'll need your fix-it and construction skills to fill the potholes. Rubble on the double!
Green means go.
Skye, I'll need you to airlift a net down to Zuma, who will hook it up under the bridge using his hovercraft.
This pup's gotta fly.
Chase, I'll need you to use your pylons and megaphone to direct traffic away from the bridge. Chase is on the case! And Wild, use your cheetah speed to reach the bridge switch before Meow Meow gets there. You'll be able to lift the bridge and trap Meow Meow in the net below.
This cat's gotta run.
Arf! Water cannon!
Hurry, mister! Find your inner cheetah!
Meow, meow.
All right, Wild, now! Yay!
You did it!
Whew, that was close. Thank you so much.
Don't mention it. Whenever you've got a problem, you can always just yelp for help.
Now I just need to get this delivery to Katie, and fast. I was supposed to have it to her hours ago.
I'm on it. This cat's gotta run.
Has anyone seen Meow Meow?
You could say that.
Now that was fast.
I forgot the delivery.
My, it really turned out to be a nice day, didn't it, Chickaletta? A real scorcher. I never would have thought after all that wet weather we had last night. You're right, it's very hot. Let's head to the pond to cool off. Oh dear, it looks like the watering hole is blocked. And we're not the only ones in need of some water. These critters desperately need to cool off. Don't worry, little ones. I'll call the PAW Patrol.
The water is so cool and refreshing.
Especially on a hot day like today.
Oh, hi, Mayor Goodway. How's it going?
Oh, Ryder, it's so hot out.
It sure is.
Chickaletta and I have gone for a hike. We wanted to cool off at the pond, but it seems last night's wet weather caused a mudslide, and now the entrance is blocked by giant boulders.
Oh no!
We've got some thirsty critters here. We'll need your help.
We'll be there in no time, Mayor Goodway. No job is too big, no pup is too small. All right, pups, you heard Mayor Goodway. We've got to free up the entrance to the watering hole so the forest critters can get some water. For this mission, I'll need Marshall. I'll need you to use your hose to make sure the animals don't get too thirsty. I'm fired up! And Leo, I'll need you to use your lion vehicle to move the big rocks blocking the watering hole.
I'm roaring to go.
All right, PAW Patrol and Cat Pack are on a roll. Yeah! Awesome!
Thank goodness you're here. These animals are so thirsty.
We're on it, Mayor Goodway. We'll have these rocks moved as fast as we can. In the meantime, Marshall, use your hose to cool these critters off. On it! Earth! Hose! All right, Leo, use the mouth of your vehicle to drag these stones away.
I'm roaring to go.
Oh my, that's one big boulder.
No problem. Lion strength! Let's go, everyone!
All right! All right!
Oh no, there's no watering hole.
The mudslide must have filled it in before the heat dried it all up.
What will we do now?
Don't worry, everyone, we're on it. No watering hole is too dry, no pup or cat is too small. Marshall, use your hose to fill in the hole left by the giant rock Leo dragged away. Great idea! I'm ready for a red-hot rescue. All right, possum teamwork.
Well done.
Another successful mission by the PAW Patrol and Cat Pack.
Indeed, on behalf of all the critters of this forest, I want to say a big thank you.
Don't mention it, Mayor Goodway. Whenever you've got a problem, just yelp for help.
Oh, I'm so excited. Today's the day I look forward to every year, the Adventure Bay Spring Carnival. You're right, Chickaletta. It is a bit chilly. Let's get our sweaters, then we'll finish setting up. Oh, I'm so excited. What? Snow? Oh no! How do we have a spring carnival in a snowstorm? Oh, I'm so disappointed. We'll have to cancel. I'll call Ryder.
Hey, Mayor Goodway, you excited for the spring carnival today?
Ryder, have you looked outside? It's snowing.
Snowing? Huh, so it is. A springtime snowstorm. Weird.
We'll have to cancel the event. Can you and the pups let everyone know there won't be any spring carnival this year? I'm too sad to share the news.
Okay, Mayor Goodway, we can do that for you.
Thank you, Ryder.
All right, pups. Mayor Goodway is super sad about not being able to have the spring carnival today on account of the weather. What a bummer! Here's what I'm thinking. We'll surprise her with a winter carnival instead. Ruff, ruff, arf, arf.
Yeah.
For this mission, I'll need Everest. Hey there.
Everest! Hi, Ryder. Hi, pups. Shade and I are just enjoying all this fresh powder. Woohoo!
Everest, we'll need your expertise in snow and ice to turn Town Hall into a winter wonderland today.
You got it, Ryder. Ice and snow, I'm ready to go.
And Shade, your climbing skills will definitely come in handy. We'll need someone to string lights and hang carnival decorations.
I'll be there.
All right, PAW Patrol and Cat Pack is on a roll. Right, pups, let's get to it. Ruff, ruff, arf, arf. Wow, this looks fantastic! Mayor Goodway's gonna be so excited. I've let everyone know the carnival is still on. They should be arriving any minute now.
Hot chocolate here.
Hello!
Wow,
Look at this.
Hey, everyone.
Hey!
All right, Mayor Goodway will be here any minute.
Oh, look at this beautiful winter wonderland.
Surprise!
You've really outdone yourselves and have made me and Chickaletta the happiest ever.
Aw, it was nothing, Mayor Goodway. Hi, Jake. Are you coming to join us for the winter carnival?
I'm trying, Ryder, but this snowstorm's got me snowed in. I'm gonna need some help.
Don't worry, Jake, we're on it. Everest, Shade, I'll need you to use your vehicles and climbing skills to get back up the mountain and dig Jake out of the cabin.
On it. Let's go.
Everest! Shade! In here!
We'll have you out in no time. What's that sound? Uh-oh. Avalanche! Tail sweep! Whew. That was a close one. Thanks. Don't mention it. Let's get Jake out of here.
Woohoo! I'm free!
All right, now let's get back to that Possum Winter Carnival.
Thank you so much for all your hard work turning Town Hall into a winter wonderland, Ryder. You really lifted my spirits.
Don't mention it.
Whenever you've got a problem, just yelp for help.
More snow, anyone? Tail sweep!
Oh, look! Shade is making more snow!
Well, hello.
Good morning, Captain Turbot.
Wonderful weather we're having, wouldn't you say?
Sure is. Let me raise the bridge for you.
Thank you. Have a delightful day.
You too! That means my shift is over. No more boats for now. I just lock this lever here and be on my way.
Oh dear, the bridge appears to be stuck. How will I deliver these pies on time if I can't get across the bridge? I'd better call the PAW Patrol.
Hey, Ryder, go long! Time out. Hey, Mr. Porter, what's up?
Well, Ryder, there seems to be a problem with the drawbridge to cross town. It's stuck straight up. No cars can pass over it.
That does sound like a problem.
I need to cross the bridge to make my pie deliveries on time.
Don't worry, Mr. Porter, we're on our way. No bridge is too stuck, no pup is too small.
Thanks, Ryder.
All right, pups and cats. Mr. Porter needs our help. The bridge is stuck, and the lever is on the other side. So for this mission, I'll need Rubble and Wild. Rubble, high the double!
Yeah!
Rubble, I'll need you to use your vehicle's scoop to build a big dirt ramp in front of the bridge.
Let's dig it!
And Wild, I'll need you to use your cheetah speed to zoom up the ramp and land on the other side. That way you can pull the lever and lower the drawbridge.
This cat's gotta run.
All right, it's time for a PAW Patrol and Cat Pack rescue.
Ah, here they come. Thanks for coming.
Don't mention it, Mr. Porter. We're on it. All right, Rubble, use your scoop to create a ramp in the road.
You got it, Ryder! Rebel, on the double!
Awesome work, Rubble. All right, Wild, you're up. Use your cheetah speed to gain some extra momentum. You'll have no trouble getting over the bridge.
You bet. Cheetah speed!
Wow, look at that cat go!
Clawsome.
Fantastic! Now, you'll just need to pull that lever and lower the drawbridge.
Amazing! Thanks so much. There's just one more problem. I'm so late with these deliveries.
I've got you covered, Mr. Porter.
With Wild's cheetah speed, we'll have these deliveries out in no time.
That's right.
Okay, Wild, you get these pies out for Mr. Porter.
On it. This cat's gotta run.
done? Already?
You bet.
Wow, I can't believe it. I can always count on the Paw Patrol and the Cat Pack to help in a pinch. Thanks, everyone.
Whenever you've got a problem, just yelp for help.
Looks like there's one pie left over. Anyone want to share?
You bet I do!